Hello everyone, my name is Halima Sadaf and I am going to talk about geriatrics. Geriatrics or old age. Age is a process which begins at the conception and ends only with death. We all go through different age groups. The last age group is old age. Old age is defined as the retirement age that starts from 60 to 65 years, but the experience varies widely based on genetics, lifestyle, culture, and nutrition. The process of aging brings about different changes like physiological changes, immunological changes which influence the nutritional status. These problems affect the health and nutritional status. Decreases the physical activity, dental problem could lead overall decrease in food intake and poor absorption. As the aging process increases, the functioning of body changes. Physiological changes during aging. Here are metabolic changes, musculoskeletal changes, teeth, taste and smell, salivary gland, immune function, gastric function emptying, and skin. The first one is metabolic changes. Decreased basal metabolic rate, reduced energy expenditure due to loss of muscle mass, and body protein level decreases, due to which the activity level also decreases. Musculoskeletal system. Loss of bone density due to decrease in energy and protein level, which is risk of osteoporosis. Due to loss of musculoskeletal, the posture of body changes, loss of bone density, and the deficiency of calcium and vitamin D can be seen. Teeth. Loss of teeth and wearing dentures occur due to the deficiency of vitamin A and vitamin K, due to which the consumption of hard food decreases, such as carrot, guava, apple, and red meat cannot be consumed. Taste and smell. Decrease in taste buds and papillae on tongue. Decrease in olfactory nerve endings. Due to this changes, the effect on nutrition like loss of ability to detect salt and sweet and decreased sensory stimulation that may impair metabolic process. Salivary glands. Decreases in salivary secretion cause feeling of dry mouth, due to which they have difficulty in chewing, swell, and smelling the food. We have to make sure that to avoid certain food which are dry or crunchy or sticky. Immune function. Aging weakens the immune where there is a decrease in calcium absorption and poor vitamin D, due to which the intake of food is less. And due to other problems which affect the body, the intake of food become less, due to which there is effect of immune system. Gastric function emptying. Decrease of hydrochloric acid and decrease in pepsin, due to which the above 60 years of age rapid rate of emptying of liquids occur. Due to this, there is decreased absorption of protein, folate, and vitamins and minerals. Skin. As the age increases, the skin undergoes various changes like thinning of skin, draining, loss of elasticity in skin, occurrence of wrinkles, and fine lines. Nutritional requirement in elderly people. Energy. Energy here decreases due to lack of physical activity and changes in body. Energy requirement for elderly man is 1700 kilocalorie and energy requirement for women is 1500 kilocalorie. Protein. As the age increases, there is a decrease in muscle mass and skeletal tissue, due to which there is a loss of protein synthesis. To meet up the protein requirement in old age, the food such as low fat milk, egg, and pulses can be included. As a normal adult, protein intake is zero point 0.1 gram, but in old age, the protein requirement is given 1.2 gram as per the body weight. Carbohydrates and fiber. Carbohydrates. Due to the decrease in calorie requirement, the intake of carbohydrate is reduced. It is necessary that intake of carbohydrate should be 55 to 60%. And if the person is having hyperglycemia, hypoglycemia, or type 2 diabetes mellitus, these occur due to impaired glucose tolerance, which can get enhanced by weight management and regular physical activity. Fiber. 25 to 30 gram per day is required in old age people. Consumption of fiber containing food should be gradual, not to be increased, otherwise, they may have bowel discomfort. Tender vegetables and fruits should be given to meet up the fiber requirements. Supplements should also be included. Water. Elderly individual may have feelings, sense of thirst and may go for longer period of time without fluid, due to which dehydration results, headache and instability result. They should be advised to consume some fluids such as buttermilk, fruit juices, soup porridges on daily basis to meet up the water intake. Calcium and vitamin D. Crucial for bone health, vitamin D is linked with teeth and bone. Both vitamin D and calcium are needed to prevent from the fracture and hip fracture. To meet up the requirement of calcium and vitamin D, they get advised to take supplementation, dairy products, and UV radiation. Vitamin C and E. To recover up the vitamin C and E, citrus fruits, berries, nuts, and seeds are suggested. The dietary modification. Food must meet up all the food requirements. Food must be soft and easily chewable. Food must be easily digested. Food must be rich in protein, vitamin, and fiber. Food must be rich in calcium, like low fat milk, curd should be given. Food of elderly people should consist familiar food. New food are difficult to get digested. Small and frequent meals should be given instead of heavy meals. 2 to 3 servings of low fat meal should get included. Coffee, tea, beverages should be restricted. Vegetables and fruits, which are good source of antioxidants, should be given. Food should be less salty. Food like sulfur containing vegetables and certain types of pulses should get avoided to prevent from gas forming. And the major nutritional related problems occurring in old age. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a condition where there is a loss of bone mineral density due to increase in osteoclast. There is a generalized bone disease